Okay, today the subject is reinforced concrete structures. Chapter is design of T-beams. Subtopic problems on T-beams and use SP16 and use SP16. The completion of this we will be able to solve the T-beam, solve the problem on T-beam, solve the problem on T-beam. Solve the problem on T-beam. Use SP16 for design of T-beams. Use SP16 code for design of T-beams. Note up. Use SP16 for design of T-beams. We have learned about the analysis of T-beams. Analysis of T-beams. Solved problems and determination of MR of T-beam. Solved problems on determination of MR of T-beam. MR means moment of resistance of T-beam. Moment of resistance of T-beams. Moment of resistance of T-beams. Solved problems on determination of moment of resistance of T-beams. T-beams. Moment of resistance of T-beams. Example problem. Write it. A T-beam floor consists of 150 mm thick 150 mm thick RCC slab, 150 mm thick RCC slab, monolithic with 300 mm wide beams. The beams are spaced at 3.5 meters. The beams are spaced at 3.5 meters center to center. 3.5 meters center to center. And their effective span is 6 meters. Full stop. If the superimposed load on the slab is 1 If the superimposed load on the slab is 5 kilonewtons per meter square, 5 kilonewtons per meter square, comma, design an intermediate T-beam. Design an intermediate T-beam. Full stop. Use M20 mix. Use M20 mix and Fe415 grade steel. Fe415 grade steel. Use M20 mix and Fe415 grade steel. Note down. Here it is. A T-beam floor consists of 150 mm thick RCC slab monolithic with 300 mm wide beams. 150 mm slab thickness, 300 mm wide beams. The beams are spaced at 3.5 meters center to center and their effective span is 6 meters. The superimposed load on the slab is 5 kilonewtons per meter square. Design an intermediate T-beam. Use M20 mix and Fe415 grade steel. Fe415 grade steel. Note down. Over. Go for the another slide. We go for another slide. Effective span L is equal to 6 meters. Write it. Effective span L is equal to 6 meters. Spacing of beams at 3.5 meters center to center. Spacing of beams 3.5 meters center to center. Depth of the flange capital DF is equal to 150 mm, that is slab thickness. Depth of the flange capital DF 150 mm. Breadth of the web BW is equal to 300 mm. Breadth of the web BW is equal to 300 mm. FCK 20 newtons per mm square, M20 mix. Fy 415 newtons per mm square. Note down. Effective span L is equal to 6 meters. Spacing of beams is equal to 3.5 meters center to center. Depth of the flange capital DF is equal to 150 mm. Breadth of the small BW is equal to 300 mm. FCK 20 newtons per mm square. FY 415 newtons per mm square. Draw the sketch. 3.5 meters center to center. Width of the beam BW 300 mm. Width of the beam BW 300 mm. Effective span 6 meters. Effective span 6. We have to take any one of the intermediate beam that is known as the T beam. Draw the sketch. 3.5 meters center to center. The beam center to beam center 3.5 meters. Depth of the beam. Selecting the depth in the range L by 12 to L by 15 based on stiffness. Selecting the depth in the range of L by 12 to L by 15 based on stiffness. No doubt. L by 12 to L by 15 based on stiffness. L is equal to 6000. 15 will be L by 15 will be taken. D is equal to L by 15. L is equal to 6 meters by 15. 400 mm. Depth of the T beam 400 mm. Range you have to take L by 12 to L by 15 will be taken in between the range. Here it is L by 15, D is equal to L by 15 will be taken. D is equal to 400 is getting 400. Adapt D is equal to 400 mm. Overall depth is equal to 450. 50 mm is effective cover. It is assumed. Overall depth is equal to 450 mm. Adapt D is equal to 400 mm. Overall depth is equal to 450 mm. That is 50 mm effective cover. Loads. Dead load on the slab. Capital D into 25. Capital DF into 25. Capital DF is equal to thickness of the slab. That is 150 converted into meters, 0.15 into 25. That is 3.75 kilonewtons per meter square. 3.75 kilonewtons per meter square. Next, superimpose lie load from the slab or superimpose load. 5 kilonewtons per meter square. 5 kilonewtons per meter square. Total load on the slab 5 plus 3.75 is equal to 8.75 kilonewtons per meter square. 8.75 kilonewtons per meter square. Total load on the slab. Dead load on the slab 0.15 into 25 is equal to 3.75 kilonewtons per meter square. Live load on the slab is given in the problem, that is 5 kilonewtons per meter square. Total load on the slab 3.75 plus 5 is equal to 8.75 kilonewtons per meter square. Kilonewtons per meter square. Load from the slab for meter run of the beam. Load from the slab for meter run of the beam. Load on slab for center to center distance between the beams. That is 3 point load on the slab into center to center distance between the beams. Load on the slab 8.75 into 3.5. Load from the slab for meter run of the beam. This is 30.63 kilonewtons per, not meter square, kilonewtons per meter. Instead of meter square, meter, kilonewtons per meter. Note down. Load from the slab for meter run of the beam is equal to load on the slab into center to center distance between the beams. Load on the slab 8.75 kilonewtons per meter square into 3.5 meters. Meter, 1 meter is a cancel. That is the unit 30.63 kilonewtons per meter, not meter square, kilonewtons per meter. Note down. self weight of the beam, that is dead load on the slab, that is only slab only. Here is self weight of the beam, that is width of the T beam and depth of the rib. 0.3 into 0.3 into 1 into 25. 0.3 into 0.1 into 25. 0.3 into 0.3, width is 0.3, depth how it will be getting. Total oral depth of the T beam is equal to 450 mm and depth of the flange 150 mm. 450 minus 150 is equal to 300 mm. That is the depth of the rib. Rib only 0.3 into 1 into 25, that is 2.25 kilonewtons per meter square. Meter square per meter ఉంటుంది. 2.25 kilonewtons per meter. Beam self weight is taken as a kilonewtons per meter. Slab self weight is taken as a kilonewtons per meter square. No doubt? Self weight of the beam, that is the weight of the rib only rib portion. Continue. Total load 32.88 kilonewtons per meter only, not meter square, kilonewtons per meter. Factor load 1.5 into 32.88, 49.32 kilonewtons per meter. Factor load. Factored bending moment W L square by 8. W 49.32, L is equal to 6 meters. L square, L to the power 8 is wrong. That is L square by 8. That is equal to 221.94 kN. 221.94 kN. No doubt? Two 21.94 kN. mu is equal to W L square by 8. W is equal to 49.32. L is equal to 6 square by 8. 221.94 kNm. 221.94 kNm. Factored bending moment or design bending moment. Factored bending moment or design bending moment. Go for another slide. Effective width of the flange. Effective width BF is equal to T for T beam L0 by 6 plus BW plus 6 DF. Effective width of the flange L0 by 6 plus BW plus 6 DF. 6000 by 6 plus 300 mm plus 6 into 150, that is 2200 mm. 2200 mm limited to center, that is 3500 mm. Least value is taken. Least value, this instead of these two values, least value is taken. Hence BF is equal to 2200 mm. 2200 mm. Assume XU is within the flange. Assuming XU, depth of neutral axis, is within the flange. Equating the compressive force in concrete to tensile force in steel. Equating the compressive force in concrete to tensile force in steel. Note down. Equating the compressive force in concrete to tensile force in compressive. Compressing, not compressing, compressive, compressive. Compressive force in concrete to tensile force in steel. 0.36 FCK BF is not printed, BF into XU is equal to 0.87 FIS. BF is not printed, here it is. XU is equal to 0.87 FIAST, 0. FCK BF is equal to 2200 is taken, that is XU is equal to 0.87 FI415 into AST divided by 0.36 into 20 into 2200, that is BF is equal to 0.0228 AST. 0.0228 AST. Here is the equation, right? Once again, 0.36 FCK BF XU is equal to 0.87 FY AST. He is solving the above equation. X is equal to 0.87 FY AST by 0.36 FCK. K is wrongly dual printed. Suffix and by is printed bf is equal to 2200, that is 0.87 into 415 into AST divided by 0.36 into 20 into 2200 is equal to 0.0228 AST. A reinforcement point mu is equal to 0.87 Fy ASTD minus 0.42 XU. Substitute XU value and mu value in this equation. 221.94 into 10 to the power of 6 is equal to 0.87 Fy 415 AST A is equal to AST D 400 minus 0.42 XU 0.0228 capital AST. You have to simplifying this equation, we are getting AST value. Note down first. Simplifying that, 221.94 10 to the power of 6, 1,444,20 AST into 3.457 AST square. This is make into quadratic equation. AST square minus 41776 AST plus 64.2 into 10 to the power of 6 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. AST square minus 41776 AST plus 64.2 into 10 to the power of 6 is equal to 0. Solve the above quadratic equation. AST is equal to 1597.9 mm square. 1597.9 mm square. A quadratic is solving minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac under root by 2a. X is equal to 0.0228 AST, 0.0228 into 1597.9 is equal to 36.4 less than DF. DF is equal to 150 mm. Our assumption is correct. Hence, our assumption is correct. Draw the sketch. 2200 VBF, thickness of the slab or flange 150 mm, effective depth 400 mm, effective cover 50 mm. It is a 8 bars of 16 mm dia is provided. Minimum area of tension steel. AST minimum 0.BW into D divided by Fy. 0.85 into 300 D 400 by 415 is equal to 248.8 mm square. Less than AST provided. Less than AST provided. Maximum area of tension steel 0.04 BW into D, 0.04 BW 300 450, that is 5400 mm square. Less than AST provided. Less than AST provided. Hence provide 8 number 16 mm dia AST provided. That is AST provided 1608. AST maximum more than AST provided. More than AST provided. Provide 8 bars of 16 mm dia bars AST provided 1608.5 mm square. 1608.5 mm square. Our provided steel more than the minimum, less than the maximum. Hence, provided steel is safe. Using SP16, mu by BD square 221.94 10 to the power of 6. 2200 into 400 square is equal to 0.63. Using SP16 code. .63 value. Refer table number 2 of SP16 and read out the value of percentage of reinforcement corresponding to Fy 415 newtons per mm square and FCK 20 newtons per mm square. Refer table number 2 of SP16 and read out the value of percentage of reinforcement corresponding to Fy 415 newtons per mm square, FCK 20 newtons per mm square. Mu by BD square is equal to 0.63. Mu by BD square is equal to 0.63. Percentage of reinforcement is equal to 0.181 percentage. 181 percentage. AST is equal to PT into BD by 100. Percentage into BD into 100. PT 0.181 into B of 2200, D 400 divided by 100, 1592.08 mm square. This is calculation from the table, not for the problem. Calculation from SP16, 1592.8 mm square. No doubt. AST. Provide 8 number 6 mm dia bars. AST provided 1608.5 mm square. Same as a solved problem. In this class, you have learned about the designer timing using IS456 and SP16. IS456 designer timing using SP16. Quiz: maximum area tension steel provided for the T-beam. 4% of gross cross-sectional area. Your T-beam position of neutral axis lies within the flange, within web or flange. Frequently asked question.